I will talk about how can you remove all contacts on your Clubhouse app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Clubhouse app. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click on settings here. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on your name. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on remove all contacts. You just click on it here. Then you click here on yes, I'm sure. Then it's going to remove video here on your Clubhouse app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.